Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter T. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with T. In our last video, we covered the letter H. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter T is the same category that we did in the previous class. T is coming at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end. When it comes at the beginning is like this one, in middle part is this one, final join is this one, final join is this one. In a word like, for example, we have T at the beginning, څرمن. څرمن. څرمن means leather. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. It means these are leather shoes. دا mean this. بوټونه shoes. د څرمن دي leather. څرمن leather. دي are. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. These are leather shoes. دا mean this. These بوټونه shoes. څرمن leather. دي are. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. These are leather shoes. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. It means these shoes are made from leather. دا بوټونه these shoes له څرمن څخه from leather جوړ شوي دي made. Again, دا mean this بوټونه shoes له څرمن څخه from leather. له څرمن څخه from leather جوړ شوي دي made. جوړ شوي نو made دي are. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. These shoes are made from leather. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. These shoes are made from leather. زه د څرمن بکس خوښوم. زه د څرمن بکس خوښوم. It means I like the leather bag. زه means I. د څرمن بکس leather. څرمن leather بکس bag. خوښوم like. زه د څرمن بکس خوښوم. I like the leather bag. Say in another word like, for example, we have څلور. څلور. څلور means four, the number four. څلور. اڅک د څرمن څلور بکسونه لري. اڅک د څرمن څلور بکسونه لري. It means اڅک has four leather bags. اڅک is primitive name. د څرمن leather. څلور four بکسونه bags. لري has. اڅک د څرمن څلور بکسونه لري. اڅک has four leather bags. زه څلور کتابونه لرم. زه څلور کتابونه لرم. It means I have four books. زه I څلور four کتابونه books لرم have. زه څلور کتابونه لرم. I have four books. زه هره ورځ څلور ګیلاسه اوبه څښم. زه هره ورځ څلور ګیلاسه اوبه څښم. It means زه like I drink 4 glasses of water every day. زه means I هره ورځ every day څلور 4 ګیلاسه glass اوبه water څښم drink. زه هره ورځ څلور ګیلاسه اوبه څښم. I drink 4 glasses of water every day. Say another word like, for example, we have څپلۍ. څپلۍ. څپلۍ means sandals. څپلۍ. څوک څپلۍ غواړي؟ څوک څپلۍ غواړي. It means who wants sandals. څوک who. څپلۍ sandals. غواړي want. څوک څپلۍ غواړي؟ Who want sandals. زه څپلۍ غواړم. زه څپلۍ غواړم. I want sandals. زه څپلۍ غواړم. I want sandals. زه نوې څپلۍ اخلم. زه نوې څپلۍ اخلم. It means I'm buying a new sandal. زه I نوې new څپلۍ sandals اخلم. Buying, like just اخلم. Buying means اخستل. When the meme can at the end, it means like it show like M. Me means the personal ending of M. اخلم, it means referring to myself. زه نوې څپلۍ اخلم. I am buying new sandals. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. څرمن. څرمن. leather. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. دا بوټونه د څرمن دي. These are leather shoes. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. دا بوټونه له څرمن څخه جوړ شوي دي. These shoes are made from leather. زه د څرمن بکس خوښوم. زه د څرمن بکس خوښوم. I like the leather bag. څلور. څلور. four. اڅک د څرمن څلور بکسونه لري. اڅک د څرمن څلور بکسونه لري. اڅک has four leather bags. زه څلور کتابونه لرم. زه څلور کتابونه لرم. I have four books. زه هره ورځ څلور ګیلاسه اوبه څښم. زه هره ورځ څلور ګیلاسه اوبه څښم. I drink 4 glasses of water every day. څپلۍ. څپلۍ. sandals. څوک څپلۍ غواړي؟ څوک څپلۍ غواړي؟ Who wants sandals. زه څپلۍ غواړم. زه څپلۍ غواړم. I want sandals. زه نوې څپلۍ اخلم. زه نوې څپلۍ اخلم. I am buying new sandals. If you would like to learn Pashto daily online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.